Welcome to our channel, The Mythologist. We are here to entertain and inspire you with the power of storytelling. So sit back, relax, and let us take you on a journey through the magic of words. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss a story. Tom and Jerry is a beloved American animated cartoon series that has been entertaining audiences for over 80 years. Created by William Hanna and Joseph Barbera in 1940, the series features a cat named Tom and a mouse named Jerry, who engage in a never-ending rivalry. In this essay, we will explore the history and cultural significance of Tom and Jerry, the characters and their personalities, and the impact the series has had on popular culture. Tom and Jerry was first created in 1940 by William Hanna and Joseph Barbera, who were working for the animation studio Metro-Goldwyn-Mayer, MGM, at the time. The series was originally intended to be a one-off cartoon, but it was so successful that it became a regular feature of the studio's animation lineup. Hanna and Barbera went on to create over 100 Tom and Jerry cartoons before leaving MGM in 1957 to start their own animation studio. During its heyday, Tom and Jerry was one of the most popular animated series on television, and it has since become a cultural icon. The series has been adapted into movies, television shows, video games, and even theme park attractions. Tom and Jerry merchandise, such as toys, clothing, and books, is still popular among fans today. The series has also been referenced and parodied in other media, including movies, TV shows, and music videos. Tom, the cat, is one of the main characters in the series. He is a gray and white cat with a round head, big ears, and a long tail. Tom is known for his mischievous nature and his never-ending pursuit of Jerry. He is often portrayed as arrogant and short-tempered, but he also has a soft side, especially when it comes to his love interest, a white female cat named Toodles. Jerry, the mouse, is the other main character in the series. He is a small brown mouse with big ears and a long tail. Jerry is known for his cleverness and quick thinking, which he uses to outsmart Tom and avoid getting caught. He is also portrayed as mischievous and playful, but he has a strong sense of justice and will often come to the aid of other animals who are being mistreated. In addition to Tom and Jerry, the series features a wide range of supporting characters, including other cats, mice, dogs, and birds. Some of the most memorable supporting characters include Spike, a muscular bulldog who is fiercely protective of his son, Tyke, Butch, a black cat who is Tom's rival for Toodles' affections, and Nibbles, a cute little mouse who is Jerry's nephew. Tom and Jerry's impact on popular culture cannot be overstated. The series has become a cultural icon and has influenced countless other cartoons, TV shows, and movies. The slapstick humor and fast-paced action of Tom and Jerry have been imitated and parodied in other media, and the characters have become recognizable symbols of American animation. One of the most significant impacts of Tom and Jerry has been on the animation industry itself. The success of the series helped to establish the importance of animation as a viable form of entertainment, and it paved the way for other iconic animated series, such as The Simpsons, SpongeBob SquarePants, and Family Guy. Tom and Jerry have also had a significant impact on merchandising and licensing. The series has been licensed for use in a wide range of products, from toys and games to clothing and home decor. The popularity of Tom and Jerry merchandise has helped to keep the characters relevant and beloved by fans around the world. Tom and Jerry is a classic American animated cartoon series that has been entertaining audiences.